4 things to make any routine question in English. Oh, teacher, what are the 4 things? The first one is WH word. Oh, teacher, like what? Includes what, where, when, who, why, which. The second thing is verb do or does, depends on the subject, okay? So, the third thing, teacher, is the subject. Teacher, like what? Give me example. Like you, he, she, we, they, names, Jack, John. Okay, teacher. And number 4? Okay, number 4 is the normal verb. Similar, play, go, study, learn, many verbs. Okay. Okay, teacher. Give me an example. Imagine I ask you about the time you sleep. So, teacher, how I do this question? Now, let's go. The first point is WH word. What combines with the time? Or when or what time, right? So we speak when. The second is do. The third is you, the subject. And the last one is the verb, which is sleep. So, when do you sleep? I can speak, when do you normally sleep? Okay. One more question, teacher, or one more example. So, imagine I ask you, okay, about the place of your work, the location of your job. Oh, teacher. So, let's go. Location combines with where. So, where, do, remember do, this is necessary. You, yourself, okay, and work. Where do you work? I work in São Paulo. So guys, one more question. So let's ask you why or the reason that your father works, okay? Why he has profession. So we speak, why does your father or he, okay, work? Okay, so we use does in this case because he. Okay, guys? So please, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And I left some questions in the description, so please try to do them in the comments. Okay, thank you so much for watching and see you.